Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add PayPal balance. First, you will need to securely log into your PayPal account, either through a web browser or the official mobile application. It is crucial to ensure you have a bank account already linked and confirmed, as this is how you will transfer funds. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet or Money section of your PayPal dashboard to begin the process. If your bank account is not yet linked, access the Link a Bank Account option found in your Wallet section. You will need to carefully enter your bank's 9-digit routing number and your personal account number. PayPal will then send 2 small deposits, typically under $1 each, to your bank account within 2 to 3 business days. You must verify these exact amounts back on PayPal to confirm your ownership and activate the link. With your bank account successfully linked, select the Transfer Money or Add Money to your balance option from your main PayPal summary or wallet page. Next, you will choose your confirmed bank account as the source from which you wish to transfer the funds. Carefully enter the specific amount, in whole numbers or with cents, that you desire to add to your PayPal balance, keeping any daily limits in mind. Before finalizing, please carefully review all the transfer details displayed on your screen. Double-check the exact amount you are transferring and ensure the correct linked bank account is selected as the source. Once you are certain everything is accurate, confirm the transaction to initiate the transfer process. You can generally expect these funds to arrive in your PayPal balance within 3 to 5 business days, though sometimes it may be quicker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.